Hi, I'm Agnes. I'm one of the directors at Tovi Sorga and I'm here to show you how our microsuction phone cases work. This is one of our men's cases. It's got a beautiful lizard on it, and we use microsuction inside the case instead of plastic in order to hold your phone. It's strong as can be. You can shake your phone up and down when it's on, and it's composed of tiny microscopic octopus-like suckers which grip onto the back of your phone really securely. So I'm just going to show you how to put the microsuction onto the phone and also how to clean the microsuction just to remove any dust that might build up over time. When you first receive your phone, it comes with a protective film on top. So you just want to peel away that film the first time you use it. And we'd recommend just cleaning the back of your phone, wiping away with a very lightly damp, not too wet cloth to remove any dust build-up that might have happened there over time. When the surface is dry, if you can leave it to air dry, so much the better. You want to line up your camera hole with the camera, align it tightly to the microsuction, and just give a little push down, nice firm push, so that all of the suckers on the back of the microsuction can grip to the back of your phone. Your phone is then securely ready to hold and ready to use. Every now and again you might want to clean your microsuction, whether there's a dust build-up over time. Just sometimes in here there can be a bit of dust building up. As it's a sucker, not a sticky pad, but it's a sucker, you can clean that dust away and restore full suction to your case. I'm just going to show you how to do that now. So if you ever want to peel your phone off, and then again you just take a damp cloth, not too wet, just damp, and you just give the microsuction a little bit of a wipe, just to remove any dust that might be in there. And again, I'd recommend cleaning the back of your phone just to remove any dust or dirt that might have built up there over time. When the two surfaces are completely dry, you can just realign your phone to the case, lining up your camera hole, and your phone's nice and tight, secure, ready for use.